If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings section. Look for the Security option in the menu to access your security settings. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you can manage your authentication preferences. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the icon link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your PlayStation account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.